Okay, I finally got the riser machined to fit in the machine. 6-inch diameter. The top and bottom specs I will show a little bit later, but it's not completely done. I still need to machine the slots to bolt at the bottom and put the studs through the top. But this is how it works, and it gives you a lot more room between the quill and your workplace, especially if you work with a 6-inch vise. I got a 6-inch vise and I got a 3-inch vise, and you don't get a lot of room. But anyway, I'll move a little bit closer. It's not real hard, and you can scribe. Once you put your new riser in, you can scribe your top for the holes and your bottom 3 holes. It's a rotating bottom with T-slot nuts that actually hold the bottom in, and you just duplicate your slots on the top to the bottom to bolt them in using the original bolts or other bolts. I got aftermarket bolts, but anyway, I'm gonna pause this and then I'll pull the head off and show you how exactly the riser looks on each end. Okay, riser's out. And there you go. There's a little nub. Coming out of the bottom, it's 3.30 hundred thousandths. Sorry for the lighting, but your top nub looks like that. Then on the back side, it's machined 3.305 thousandths of an inch, a little bit bigger. Give or take, I went 5 thousandths just because it works. And that's basically what you're looking at. And your base, you got 3 T-slot nuts that go in there that bolt it down, so you can make your nub that fits in there longer if you want. And you do your recession in the top. I went bigger. It only has to go 5 thousandths or half an inch. I went longer just to make sure it would fit. Here's your basic dimensions. Top nub, 3.3 thousandths for the top. The bottom, 3.305 thousandths inch on the bottom, just to make sure it fits. Diameter of your riser is 6 inches, give or take. It don't matter if it's a little bit bigger or smaller, because it will work. Your top nub, half an inch sticking out, will work, because that's what the factory is. Same with the bottom. I went deeper on the bottom just to make sure it would fit, because it was on my little lathe, and it took a lot of time to do that. So anyway, the holes in the side for your slots, these little buggers here. They measure 1 inch tall, 282.85 thousandths of an inch width, 670 thousandths from the bottom for the clamping length. And that's how the factory machined them. And they go in 1.215 inch deep this way in a circular manner. But basically, you just duplicate what came on the top of it. You're just duplicating them holes there. And basically, your 3 holes don't need to be absolutely perfect, 60 degrees apart, but this is it. I'm going to be machining the slots in the sides to clamp to the base this weekend because I got my new roughing mill cutters. But this is how it works. Anyway, I will show another video when this is done. This is just a quickie. But I got so much stuff to do. But I'll show it when it's finished.